There's a lot of information here how to set up a YouTube channel to build up subscribers, but if you're new, first thing you should do is get them 10 catalogs or 50 catalogs around your friends and family. Building a following on whatever internet platform takes 9 to 12 months, so you've got to be patient so you can have some local customers while you're building your channel. So first of all, if you've never opened a YouTube video before, it's quite simple. But I'll take it from this step, so if you've seen this bit you can actually fast forward if you've already got a YouTube channel. But first of all, you need a Gmail account. So if you just put into here free Gmail account, and once you've got one set up, it'll look like this. So you'll have your Gmail there, images, and then these 9 little squares. If you click on them, that's where you actually go to YouTube. It's also worth setting up a Google Plus account. That's very similar to the Facebook one. You mightn't use it very much, but it's worth sharing the stuff on there, and you'll see in a second. So how do you upload a video? First, you've actually got to take a video, and you'll see one I've done in a minute. But before that, if you've done it on an iPhone, what you can actually basically do is then you just go to your pictures on your iPhone and then share to your YouTube channel, and it'll be exactly the same steps as you're going to see in a second. So you come up here to the little projector with the plus white plus on it. If I'm going too fast, then just stop the video and go back over it again. Then you upload the video, and this will take you to where you upload it. Now you want it to public, you can actually have it not to public if you want, but obviously we want more people to see it as you possibly can and build up subscribers. So how you do is you select the file. So you just find one that you've actually, or where you've actually put it, if you put it on a desktop or if you're doing it on the iPhone. And then you upload it. Now it's going to take a while to upload, but what you've got to put in is some titles and tags. So I'll just call, you'll see what I've done in a second. So we'll just call it best product. You'd have a bigger description than that in there, but obviously I'm doing this for speed. And then tags, the more tags you've got, we'll just put skin care as another tag, and then you can have loads of tags. So I suggest you have loads of tags. Make sure it's set to public, make sure it's going to be sent to Google Plus and Twitter. Put in a little message there about the product, how they can actually get to your shop. Put your shop link in there as well. And then basically what's going to happen once it's uploaded, you can have 4 different video clips of the video, and you pick which one you want best. If you don't like that, you can customize it and do it that way. And then when it's finished, you publish it, and that'll be the link that you actually share to wherever you actually want to, if you want to put it other places. But this is showing you how to build a YouTube channel. So I'm just going to cancel this now if I can. Maybe it's gone too far to cancel. Yes, it has. So not worry about that. I'll cancel it in the next bit. Right, so now I'm going to show you how to set up your YouTube channel so it looks a bit more professional. Again, you come back in here. If I'm going too fast, just stop and go back over it till you get it. First thing is you come in here and you actually sort of come across the far right, top right again. Click on there and go to your channel. Now what you've got to do is make this look professional, and put a nice lot of pictures up at the top. And how you actually do that is you click on here and then it asks you to upload a picture. So it's got to be size 2560 by 1440. You can edit that, use it iPicky to whatever you want to make your channel look good, because at the end of the day you want to get more subscribers. That's the key to it. So that's, you've done that. But then what you also want in here is how to link to everything else. So somebody's here and they think, oh, I like this, I wonder what they're like on Facebook. So connect on there, connect on Google Plus, connect on Twitter, connect on LinkedIn, and connect on Instagram. So I'm on all of these, but I'm very rarely in some of the other ones. But some of the information I sent out the other day automatically get sent to Twitter, and somebody came back interested, even though I'm not even connected with that. So you never know where it's going to go to, so it's important you have these all linking anyway. Right, how do you do that then? So basically you come across here to customize the channel, and there's the links here. Now then what you do here is you come across here to click on that, and it has edit links. And there's the links there. So how do you edit them as well? Because you come to here, we go customize channel. Make sure you change the good description in here with your website if you've got one. The email address that the inquiries are going to go to. and there's the links here. So go and grab your Facebook link, your Twitter link, your LinkedIn link, and your Instagram link. So you just put them in there. As soon as you put it in, it'll automatically come up Facebook, and then when you go to the bottom, you're just done, and then that's actually saved. So what you're looking for is actually also building up subscribers. The more subscribers you've got, now obviously everybody starts off with none, and over a period of time you build them up. This is from a different channel I've built up over a number of years. So I'm starting to scratch. Even though I've got these people, I want to be building up new ones in a second. So just to show you what can be done, I've got 1,300 subscribers, had 1.3 million views, and then you've got your video manager here as well. So take your time going through it, setting it all up till you've got it running nicely. But remember, it's just adding subscribers at a time. So your video manager comes up here, actually showing you all the different videos. And that's got rejected because I was just using that as an example. So we'll get rid of that. So you've got to make sure your content's unique, unless it'll get kicked out. And here's a video I actually did. So see if I can click on that. What's the best way to view it? Right. So I just basically just did a video of one of the products. It's like half price. See if I can just stop that. So I just did a short little video of one product. I didn't even have the product. I did a video of the product from the catalog, pointing out that people get it up to 55%. But also what I've actually in the video, I asked them to go below the video to actually go to the online catalog and tell them what the code number and the page number is. So they can then click through the catalog, go to page 19, and guess what's going to happen? While they're going through to page 19, they're going to see other products as well. Now all there as well, I've put my Instagram account, because once people are looking, they think, oh, he's on Instagram as well, I'll follow him on there. So it's all a way of building up following. So that's a trick to do it. How you actually put this in at a later date is you go to edit video, and that's where you can actually put in your different codes and then save that. Again, these are the tags, and the more tags you actually have, the better. They'll help people find it. So that's actually how you do that. And then there's loads of things you can go into, analytics, how much people are watching it, where the people are watching it. There's loads of things you can have a play with that. But once you've shot the video, I'd suggest you put it on YouTube, you put it on Instagram, you also put it on Facebook, anywhere else that people can actually see. And over a period of time, your following is actually going to get a lot bigger. So I'll just come back to the video again. Hopefully it comes back to the video. Go back to the video. So I'm going to do another video to show you how to do this. Nope, it hasn't come up with the bit I wanted to show you. So let me just go directly to the video. Click on there to watch the video. So what I want you to see is when you're finishing the video, tell them to subscribe. So I'll show you on another. Let's just stop that. I'll show you on another video how to do that. When you come to an end, always say to them, go to there to subscribe, because you always want to be building up subscribers. So over a period of time, them subscribers are going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Now what happens once you've got a subscriber, every time you do a new video, your subscribers will actually get to see that. So that's actually how to build a YouTube channel, and also lots of tricks. I'll do the other video how to put the subscribe button on. So keep liking all the videos and sharing it. Make sure all your new team are getting started with catalogs, and it's going to be a very exciting future ahead.